From the first project 50 years ago until now, the heart of Maranatha's work is the construction of new churches and schools around the globe. The structures have evolved over time in design, material, and assembly process, but the purpose is the same: to provide urgently needed places of worship and learning to those in need. Because each location is different, the type of structure will depend on the needs of the situation. Most churches and schools built by Maranatha are constructed with a traditional cinder block that has been used by volunteers for decades. These buildings are low cost, sturdy, and simple enough for any volunteer to work with. In some situations, a simple one-day church frame is adequate to protect against the sun, providing a sheltered space for worship while members work to build up the walls themselves. A steel frame can also be used as the skeleton to create a brand new school campus or expand an existing one. For large schools, our Education and Evangelism Center, or EEC, is effective in housing between 6 and 12 classrooms under one roof, with the added benefit of a central meeting space for assemblies or chapels. On Sabbath, it serves as a church sanctuary. In the United States and Canada, our North American church design provides a blueprint for a simple and cost-effective church building for smaller congregations. The standard plan includes a sanctuary for 120 people, a fellowship hall, Sabbath school classrooms, bathrooms, an audio-visual room, and a pastor's office. Some North American sites only require renovations, where Maranatha volunteers can add new life to long-standing institutions. While construction remains at the center of Maranatha's work, the mission is more than building needed structures. It is about building up people. It's about church members who meet under trees or in dark, dusty sheds, who now have strong houses of worship that provide shelter. It's about school children who must endure inadequate learning conditions and constant distractions, who now have bright new classrooms in which to learn. And it's about volunteers who, in working to bless others, realize they too are moved by the mission, all touched by God through the medium of construction.